Hey, what is up, you guys? Hope you all are having a beautiful day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to pack for travel. I'm leaving for Amsterdam in the next few days and I'm going to be there for 1 week. So I want to show you guys a little bit about how I pack for travel. So let's get into it. So step 1 is to always plan for the weather and activities. Every time before I pack for a destination, I always look up the weather. Even though the weather isn't always the most accurate, it gives you a pretty good idea of what to expect while you're there, what type of weather, as well as what to pack for your trip. And then secondly, I always like to consider what type of activities will I be doing there. Will I be walking around, doing a lot of sightseeing, or will I be attending any fancy events? So those are some things I always consider that will help me narrow down what to bring and what to pack for my trip. So here's an example of what I'm packing for my 1 week trip to Amsterdam. First up, let's talk about pants. I'm deciding to bring 3 pairs of jeans, 1 white, 1 black, and 1 blue denim color. Each of these are neutral pant colors that go well with any top. I'm also going to be bringing 3 sets of workout clothes since our hotel has a gym and I plan on working out for 3 days during our trip so I can stay on track with my workout goals. Next, I'm bringing 1 fabric tote bag. It's super easy to pack because it's foldable and you can always wash it when you come back from your trip, so it's a super easy and low maintenance bag option. And I'm also bringing my Low & Sons purse. I love it because you can adjust the straps and wear it as a more stylish fanny pack for day trips if you want to be hands-free, or for dressier occasions and wear it as a purse or a clutch. Next up is my Ray-Ban sunglasses to protect my eyes, and I love the versatile gray color as this will go well with any of my outfits. I'll be putting it in its case to protect it during travel. Then I'll also be bringing my jewelry in its jewelry case. I love how practical this is, and I love that this case comes with a little mirror inside. Next, I'm going with 1 casual pair of white neutral shoes and 1 pair of black boots. And when it comes to tops, I wanted to incorporate some fun and bold prints and patterns to fit the Amsterdam vibe, but also added some neutral tops for practicality. I decided to also bring 1 black and 1 beige lightweight packable trench coats and also 1 fun plaid jacket to have more outerwear options. Now let's do a check to see if this all fits in my luggage. Perfect. Looks like there's still plenty of space to add my PJs and underwear and socks. I will not be putting my sunglasses or jewelry in my check-in bag and will be bringing them with me in my personal carry-on bag as these are more expensive items. My flight leaves in the next few days, so I'll be finishing packing the rest of the essentials later tomorrow morning. So that's what I'm packing for my 1 week trip to Amsterdam. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video in Amsterdam.